Thank you very much, everyone. I'm sorry for being late and being unable to share this. Now, today I'm going to talk about GenAI use in academic writing, mainly focusing on the ethical concerns. I will talk about the benefits and concerns regarding GenAI use in academic writing, and then also I will mention two ethical issues identified from a recent survey. Lastly, I will try to propose an ethical for teachers to better guide students' Gen AI use. There are various benefits identified from previous researches. Generally speaking, general AI can help students to improve their writing efficiency and makes them better writers, and also enhance their research performance. However, there are widespread concerns, including false or biased data and undermine human agency, academic misconduct, equity and fairness issues, and privacy and security issues. Also, from a recent survey, it is found that students are generally overly confident in using generative AI, and there is a strong correlation between the frequency of generative AI use and ethical perceptions. Therefore, it seems necessary for teachers to try to establish an ethical framework to better guide students' Gen AI use. There are 6 elements in the proposed framework. The first one is inclusion. By inclusion, we mean that teachers should try to ensure equity and information diversity in using generative AI. And that means we need to work closely with educational institutions to provide a universal access to AI, especially for students who are at disadvantages. And also we need to educate students to be aware of the biases in the information generated by AI. The second one is human agency. By this, we mean that teachers need to work together to guide students in a way that they can use generative AI in a more ethical way. We can try to prevent generative AI from damaging their key cognitive skills, such as critical thinking and problem solving. By this, teachers need to redesign the learning materials and also assessments. And for the third one, AI competency, it refers to the training courses that teachers can provide to students so that they can enhance their perceptions on those ethical issues. And also, at the same time, teachers need to improve their AI literacy themselves so they can make an informed decision in guiding students. The fourth one is academic integrity. By this, we mean that teachers need to uphold the institutional regulations and policies regarding academic integrity. And most importantly, we teachers need to communicate to students clearly when and how they can use generative AI in academic writing, through, for example, make it very explicit in the syllabus and in discussions in classes. The fifth one is transparency. By this, we mean that teachers can ask students to provide an explicit acknowledgement of AI involvement in their academic writing. For example, providing the screenshots of their interactions with AI, and also provide an ethics checklist before they submit their courseworks. The last one is accountability. By this, we mean students need to be held fully responsible for all the information in their papers. By doing this, we can encourage students to conduct a a thorough research or investigation into the information generated by AI so that they can locate the original sources. So in summary, by doing this, hopefully we can create an educational environment that will not only uphold the ethical standards, but also empower students to use generative AI in academic writing more responsibly. Thank you very much.